What's up, everybody? How's it going? This is the first Todd Reviews experience today. Went through Wendy's. Y'all all know, or may not know, Wendy's got that new hot and spicy chicken sandwich. So I had to swing through, grab me one for lunch today because watched Dame Drops. He made that sandwich look really good. So I figured I had to do the setup today to get a little crunch and munch in. These French frizzles is hitting. Anyway, we didn't come here for the fries. Without further ado, reaching the bag. I almost need a forklift to get it out. Ooh, look at that. Man, I'm telling you right now, man. Oh, look at the Wendy's bag now. Look, they got fries all over it. Look at that. Somebody got it artsy and cart. Look at this. Hot and spicy. Guaranteed. Do not microwave. Just in case y'all didn't know. They'll probably catch on fire. Ooh, it's like Christmas time up in here. Ooh, would you look at that? Look at that right there. Would you look? That is a chicken sandwich. Look at that fluffy bun. Oh, wow. Look at the bacon and pickle chips. This is going to be amazing. Look at that cheese. Oh, melted just right. Oh, yeah. Just sit you down right there, just like that. Can't be losing none of my pickle chips now. Can't be losing. Look at that, though. I mean, it is just a work of art. I almost don't even want to eat it. Look at that bacon hanging out. Ooh. I'm telling you right now, this first bite is gonna be amazing. Let me turn it around where I can even get to it. Goodness gracious. All of the sandwich here need help. There is a reason that Dame Drops had said this is the best chicken sandwich on the planet. I've had nothing else like this. The chili sauce, the pickled chips, the bacon, the cheese. It just, oh my goodness. Flavor explosion all up in my mouth. So good. I can't be letting them pickle chips go to waste. I would eat the pickle chips just by themselves. Wendy's. If I could please buy a bag of these pickle chips, we could get those, somehow through the drive-thru. Even at Walmart, be even better. I would put these pickle chips on every sandwich. Oh, the flavor is just unreal. Look at how thick and juicy that is. What a good flavor. It just, The fries are perfect. The sandwich is just next level. I've had nothing like it. Got a little heat behind it, but it's good. Well, I think I'm gonna finish the rest of my sandwich off camera. You lovely folks have a good day out there now. And as always, like and subscribe for more content. I will be eating more delicious stuff in the future, giving my own personal reviews. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.